Hi, this is Ben from SnapType, and I'm excited to give you a look at our latest app, SnapType Pro 2, which makes completing school worksheets easier than ever before. In this short demo, I'm going to show you how SnapType's text wrapping feature helps students complete their schoolwork. On this worksheet, we have to give a summary about each chapter in a book. Let's go to the SnapType settings and turn on text wrapping. Then we'll come back to our worksheet and make a new text box. The first thing you'll notice are small blue circles, or handles, on the sides of the text box. Drag these handles to set the width of your text box and then write your answer. When the text gets to the end of the box, it will automatically wrap to the next line. Using the slider at the top of the screen, we can adjust the font size to better match our worksheet and our answer. Text wrapping will also work with dictation. Let's give that a try now. In any case, that's all I have for you today. I hope you and your students are going to love SnapType Pro 2's new text wrapping capability. Thank you.